flood control, hot topic na naman sa bansa natin for a very good reason. And by the way, may nakulong na ba? But anyway, about a few days ago, we shared a story about DIY flood control na ginawa ng mga citizens dun sa Novaleta, Cavite. And genuinely, sobrang galing ng ginawa nila for relatively affordable materials. Now, a friend reacted to that reel and sabi niya, may nabibili daw na flood control sa Shopee. So that's exactly what we're doing in this video. Well, we're not buying them, but we're gonna be searching for them and reacting to flood control products that are available on Shopee. Not sponsored, by the way. Okay, so let's search for it. Flood control. And you actually have a few products here. So list natin from low to high yung prices. Tapos lagay natin sa top sales. Ano ba ang ano? Okay, so first things first, I think this is the flood control bag. Flood control bag, sand-free sandbag, home waterproof barrier, absorbent sandbag, lightweight, reusable. Okay, and you see here, there are different sizes, and then there are like, you can order multiple pieces from 1 to 6. So obviously, sandbag, ginagamit ito for flood control matagal na, but this one is kind of different, and the price is not bad. For the 25 by 100 cm, 6 pieces, it's less than 500, 440 pesos. So paano ba gumagana to? Actually, sobrang flat lang niya, kung makita niyo sa picture na to, and then pag nag-absorb siya ng tubig, parang lumulobo siya. I think I saw a reel about this also recently. And yan, yung makita nyo, it's a normal sandbag. I think this is okay to put sa mga door frame, sa ilalim ng mga pinto nyo, or yung mga little dapat drainage holes na baka pasukan ng tubig sa bahay ninyo. So ito, pwede to for sure. And not bad, 440 pesos. Dating play na nga ang music, ayun. 440 pesos for 6 pieces. So depending on how many you need, I think kung hindi naman tumataas ng sobra yung tubig sa bahay ninyo, like given historically kung binaba kayo, I think pwede to. And the price is not bad, definitely. 440 pesos for 6 pieces, 25 by 100 cm. So I'm guessing yung haba niya yung 100 cm. So 25 cm, parang mababa lang siya. So again, take that in consideration. Pero multiple pieces, not bad, 440 pesos. On to the next product na titingnan natin. Okay, ito nakita ko din kanina, flood barrier control board for home protection and L-type waterproof water blocking. Yung presyo na listed, 1,649 pesos. Again, they have different things. Meron Meron rectangular, may internal curve, external curve, L-type inner corner, L-type. Okay, so depende na lang kung gaano yung saan nyo ilalagay ito. May different parts sila, I guess, para ma-build nyo yung barrier sa bahay nyo. But, ito yung picture, ayan, diba? Parang naka-hype beast pa si kuya. And actually, yung unang picture nakita to, akala ko maliit lang siya, pero mukhang waist height siya. So, backstory lang, yung bahay ng parents ni Lea sa Marikina, actually napasukan ng tubig. Dun sila sa may SM Masinag area, and yun, binaba talaga. And according to dun sa dad ni Lea, parang thigh deep daw. Thigh deep. Mali pa yung tinuro ko, hindi nyo nakita. Pero thigh deep daw yung tubig doon. And I think, ito pwede to sa kanila. And ang alam ko sa mga barrier na ganito, na once na ano ba siya? Hindi mo mapasukan. Ano ba yung term doon? Basta, once there's water, mas stable to. But I'm guessing at first, gusto nyo rin gamitan ng sandbag to put them in place solidly. May nakita akong video na to pero tingnan natin kung mahahanap ko baka mag-cut muna ako. Okay, so hanap yung video pero sa phone lang. So that's what the barrier does. Naka-screen record din to, so I'll put it somewhere here para mas makita nyo clearly. Mukha naman siyang gumagana. Again, this is not like for sure Ito lang yung mga reacting to mahanap ko sa Shopee. In terms of gumagana ba siya, I cannot guarantee it. So buy at your own risk. I mean, I will not put an unbox PH stamp of approval on it. Pero ito lang available. And honestly, ito pinapag-isipan talaga namin bilhin para sa mga parents ni Lea. So if you type in flood control sa Shopee, ang daming products na lumalabas. Pero ito yung na-serve sa akin sa phone ko, and it's actually one of the more expensive ones. This one ranges from 12,887 for the bigger one, 120 cm length, and then it's 100 cm high. So that's a meter. A meter ba? 1,000 cm? Oh, 100 cm? I think so. I'm not sure. I think so. And then ito, 88 by 80 cm. So, 8,857. And then yung mas mahaba, again, is 12,873. Now, ito puro pictures lang, so I'll pull up kung ano yung nakita sa phone ko because it will really show you how this kind of works. Yan, so this is the video of the Aqua Shield yung branding dito, pero dun sa listing niya walang branding whatsoever. So ito pinapakita kung ano yung effect niya, kung effective ba siya. Again, we don't know for sure kasi video lang to, so baka stage siya. Pero that's how it's built. Yung ginagawa ni ate. Again, I'll put it here sa side para may screen recording kung mas clear and makita niyo yung listing. And it says actually parang 7.7 lang ata with a voucher. And again, this is also something that we're kind of considering for Leia's parents in Marikina para kung mabahaan sila, kung mapasukan sila, or it looks like mapapasukan sila, hopefully, hindi sila mangyari sa mga products na to. And actually, I think that's it when it comes to flood control products, or at least kung ano yung mabenta, I have it on top sales dito Shopee. And as you can see, it's mostly the sandbags that are moving na 326 sold per month, 191 sold per month. And then yung L-shape, may bumibili, parang 7 sold a month lang. Tapos actually may bumili ng barrier. May nakita ako eh. May bumili daw ng barrier. Parang 2 sold per month and it comes from China. May mga lamok sa kwarto ko. And actually, let's take, ito, may nakita ako parang, ay, sandbag din pala to. So, again, mostly it's the sandbags that are mostly moving here on Shopee. And definitely, tried and tested naman yung sandbag method in terms of at least trying to not let water come in, pero it can only go so far. I mean, how many sandbags can you actually move into your house na nakatenga lang sa bahay nyo, sa side ng bahay nyo? It's actually a lot of space. So, again, yung tinitingnan namin for Leia's parents, most likely itong orange na flood barrier, yung L-shaped. Or titignan din namin yung 7,700 na parang sluice gate niya. I don't know lang kung gaano siya kabigat. I think this is made out of aluminum. So it shouldn't be too heavy. Pero it requires more building. So baka, alam mo yun, hintayin tayo ng permit. Baka, diba, baka pagbawalan pa tayo ng gobyerno para gawin to. Pero ayun pala, may video. Pero parts lang, hindi pa siya in action. So, again, I am not endorsing any of these products. I haven't tried them out. So, tinitingnan ko lang kasi again, yun nga, nag-react lang ako sa sinabi ng kaibigan ko na may flood control products na sa Shopee. So, this is just a super quick video. Naaliw lang ako. I want to share it with you guys. Let me know if you guys have tried any of these products. If you're interested, I mean, I'll put links. You don't have to buy them, but I'll put links there just in case you're interested. Wala kaming patong dyan. Kung bibili man kayo gamit yung links namin, take that in consideration. Pero again, I am not endorsing these products. Hindi ko pa siya nasubukan 100%. Or, hindi nga, not at all. Hindi ko siya nasubukan at all. Pero interesting lang kasi yun na nga. I mean, we've already lost billions in the country to shady flood control products, and once again, some of us, or we are we are responsible for our own protection until maayos to sa gobyerno, which hopefully, let's be optimistic na lang, hopefully it's soon, pero alam nyo na. So yun lang, I just wanted to make this quick video because again, sobrang naaliw lang ako na may flood control products na pala sa Shopee. Yeah, that's pretty much it. My name is Tito James. Peace, God bless, and I'll see you guys in the next one.